sweet and smoky barbecue pulled jackfruit. Jackfruit. Morning guys, today is the 8th of January. It is a Sunday, so the weekend is finally here. We are well and truly into 2018. I'm going to be talking a little bit later on about New Year's resolutions and little bits around that. We are going to go to my favourite vegan cafe, Mad Cucumber, to get vegan waffles. I haven't really got too much planned today, and we definitely want to get out and be active. It is absolutely freezing cold outside, but we would rather be out than cooped up inside. So we're going to try and get to our gym today and also see if we can do some swimming. We might also go out for a walk, but what I wanted to show you was, so I just got this in the post and I don't really know how well you'll be able to see it. Got this little bralette. I don't wear underwire bras myself, so this is going to be perfect. And it's going to let everybody know that I am a vegan. Yeah, I'm going to get ready and then we're going to go. I figured I would quickly talk through my gym get-up. So I'm already wearing my Gymshark seamless blue leggings. I've got my Ethnotech bag, Chili's water bottle, I'm trying to reduce as much plastic as possible, Gymshark top, my Sea Shepherd bikini from Gypsy Swim, Morels, and my new vegan sports bra. And then may eat vegan pizza while you do laundry. I wish. We have decided to come out to the New Forest to go for a walk. It's so beautiful out here. I hate winter, but just all the colours and oh, it's fresh. It's very crisp. Alright guys, so we're back now from our nice long walk in the New Forest. I've had a shower and I'm warming up because it was absolutely freezing out there. We're very lucky where we live that we've got the best of the seaside as well as the New Forest. unfortunately we couldn't go to the gym today. The gym that we do go to is at a hotel which was closed due to a private wedding, so that does suck, but we got plenty of exercise being outside in the fresh air. I don't really feel as if I set myself any New Year's resolutions. In the past 12 months I've changed dramatically. I've changed a lot within myself, both mentally and physically, so I don't feel that just because it's January now I need to set new goals. There are goals that I set myself that I still continue to achieve. I don't feel just because it's January that you need to suddenly set unrealistic things for yourself. I think one of the most common ones is, you know, you're gonna eat healthier, you're gonna go to the gym, you're gonna be a better person. Those are things that you should always be focusing on doing. It shouldn't be now because there is this set date that you put so much pressure on yourself. If you want to live a more healthy and active lifestyle, then you will just naturally do it, rather than if you force yourself to do it, it's not gonna work. There was elements of my life that I wasn't getting any reward from, any joy. I wasn't happy doing my job. I wasn't in the best of mindsets, so I quit. I stopped doing the things that were making me unhappy. I discovered minimalism, which is something that I want to continue with this year. I started reading The Law of Attraction, which I want to learn more and more about. I stopped doing things that don't make me happy anymore. Like, it's a waste of time, it's pointless. I just stopped. I stopped doing things that make me unhappy. I stopped wearing so much makeup. I stopped caring about what other people thought of me. These are things that I'm going to continue doing this year. I want to carry on reducing the amount of plastic that I use. The damages that it's having on the environment are insane. It's one of the most poisonous materials that we have ever made, and awareness needs to be made about that. So that is something that I want to continue spreading, and I want to go stronger as a person, more confident. I want to carry on making my YouTube videos. I am also on Instagram. I joined in April and I love posting pictures with positive messages and of veganism, so check that out if you are interested, and like and subscribe to carry on seeing more. I also popped into Sainsbury's yesterday to get some bits that I saw on an Instagram page that they were going to start doing, so I'm going to show you. But first I've got kind of an accidentally vegan product. I don't know if anybody is excited about these like me, but beetroot and quinoa crackers, and they're gonna go great with the goat's cheese that I bought yesterday. One thing that I did accidentally find, with it being Veganuary at the moment, all the supermarkets must have jumped on board with it and incorporated a lot of vegetarian meals or have special offers on vegetarian vegan food. So I did find some, I found some mushroom mince. So unlike soya mince, this is all made of mushrooms, so I'll be looking forward to making those. But the one thing that I specifically went in there for, and I'm so excited about, is sweet and smoky barbecue pulled jackfruit. Jackfruit, I can't say it enough. I freaking love this stuff. The first time I ever tried it, I was eating away and I thought, oh, I'm eating chicken, because it tasted, the texture was just like chicken. But it wasn't, it was jackfruit. And then I was lucky enough to get hold of some actual jackfruit in like a convenience store in London, and I was in love with the stuff. And here in the UK you can't buy it. I am not where I live. I haven't seen it. You can't get it. You can't get it fresh. I've got it in a can, which I'm tempted to make, but it's the only can I've seen, and I don't want a chance running out. But now Sainsbury's do these. I'll show you what it looks like. It was £2.50 and I think they are originally £3, so I'm hoping they're planning on keeping them in the stores because jackfruit doesn't look that appealing. But I think the idea is you cook it for a bit, then you rip it up and have it in like tortilla wraps. OMG, or 100% vegan. Okay, so I'm gonna make the sweet and smoky barbecue pulled jackfruit, and we're gonna have them in tortillas. So I've got some vegan cheese, avocado to go in the middle, gonna spread some hummus on the tortilla and put some spinach with it. I've got the pulled jackfruit cooking at the moment. Does say right on there it takes 30 minutes to cook. So the idea is you put it in how it is for 25 minutes, get it out, break the pieces apart, put it back in for 5 more minutes, and then make your tortilla. So let's go. Got it a little bit burnt around the sides. What do you want to say is, it is no wonder the first time I ever ate this I thought I was eating chicken, because it looks like chicken. Okay, so this is what they look like. They don't look that amazing. We are certainly gonna try. Okay guys, that is me totally done for the day. I am knackered and exhausted and I have work in the morning, and I do hope everybody enjoyed my vlog today. Do click the big thumbs up button, do leave a comment as I'd love to start interacting with you, and do subscribe if you want to see more. Okay guys, I hope you all have a wonderful week